Check whether your thermostat needs a C-wire by confirming its model, power method, and how it behaves when the system is idle. Open the thermostat cover and inspect the wiring block. A genuine common wire will be labeled C and usually is a solid blue or brown conductor connected to the furnace or air handler's C terminal. If no wire occupies that terminal, the thermostat likely lacks a C connection. If the thermostat has a removable face, look for battery compartments or a clear marking that indicates battery operation. Battery-powered digital thermostats will operate without a C-wire but may still ask for one to support advanced features or reduce battery changes. For non-digital mechanical thermostats, power is provided mechanically and no C-wire is required. Confirm by locating only two wires, R or H power and W heat call, sometimes with G fan or Y cool, and no dedicated C conductor. If you have access to the furnace or air handler, turn off power, remove the access panel, and locate the control board. Terminals are labeled R and C. If a spare conductor matches the color of a thermostat LED but is not attached at the control board, that conductor can be connected to C to create a common. Use a multimeter set to 20 volts alternating current to measure between R and the suspected C at the thermostat or at the control board with the system powered. A steady 20 to 24 volts indicates a proper common. Do not attempt measurements without basic electrical caution and turn power off when making connections. If no C-wire exists and you do not want to run new cable, consider a compatible battery-powered smart thermostat. A power extender kit supplied by some manufacturers that uses existing wires to simulate a common, or hire a technician to pull a new conductor from the control board to the thermostat location. 3 common mistakes are assuming a thermostat with blank terminals is battery powered. Verify by checking the model and battery compartment, then test for voltage. Solution: inspect both the thermostat and the furnace board. Second, misidentifying the color code. Wire colors vary and installers reuse conductors. Solution: trace each conductor from the thermostat to the control board or label wires before disconnecting. Third, attempting to connect a conductor to the control board while power is on or without confirming terminal function, this risks shorting the system. Solution: shut power off, confirm terminal labels, and use a multimeter after restoring safe power to verify correct voltage. BigHomeProjects.com lists local heating and cooling contractors and provides homeowner reviews to help match projects with qualified professionals. Contractors can create a profile and receive leads from homeowners seeking thermostat wiring, installation, and retrofit services.